Hello, this is Zippo Norway again. It's been a long time since I posted a video. I've been busy in the summertime, but now it's winter in Norway, so I'm going to post more videos of Zippo Lighters. So I just received 3 Zippos in the mail. They are a serial, what do you call it? We can take a look at the first one. This one has the model number 28886 neon pink. Here it is. Yeah, it's really pink. It's got a glossy finish to it. The price is $21.95. I didn't pay that, I paid about $17, I think. We can take a look at the bottom stamp. This is made in H of 15. So August this year, I think. As usual, I remove the price tag and the sticker. Like this, and here it is. It's nothing special. Oh, really tight hinge. It's as you can see, so that's good. No wobbling whatsoever. Regular insert. This was made in I of 15, so they don't match. I don't care about it. So that's the pink one. And then the other one is neon orange. The model is 28888. And here it is. Really neon color, yes. And you see it's not a matte finish, it's a more shiny finish. Come on. This one was made in E of 15, so May this year. Same price, $21.95. Sorry for the labeling. I just have to do this. So there it is. Really tight hinge. I don't know if Zippo has done some changes, but not all of my Zippos are like this. This is very tight and nice. And the insert is made in I of 15, so this doesn't match either, but no problem. And the last one is this one, and it's called 28887 neon yellow. Here it is. It's almost looks like it's a green color, but in real life it's yellow, not greenish like I see it in my camera. This one was made at, oh come on, focus, E of 15, like the orange one. Sorry that I'm out of focus, but I'm trying to do this quick. So there it is. Pretty yellow. And this one, it's so tight and nice. I don't know what I have done with the lighters, but they are so perfect. Insert F of 15. So there you got them. The neon lighters from Zippo. I don't know if this design is new for 2015, but I think they are cool. If you are out in the woods and drop your Zippo, I guarantee you that you will find them. They are very neon colored. So that's that. I'll be back with more videos very soon. I have a bunch of Zippos that I have received but not reviewed. So just stay tuned, guys, and see you guys later, and thank you for subscribing and giving me good feedback. Okay, bye bye.